Jadi sebelum kita lanjut ngobrol lebih banyak, so I actually did a little bit of tweaking, not actually tweaking though. I just did a little bit adjustment to Streamlabs notification. So if you guys are donating in Streamlabs with certain amount, because I don't want this to show up a lot more, so that's why I put this into a certain amount. Because it's really cringy for me. So if you donate on 25, 50, 100, and 1000, there will be a special notification. And yes, there will be a certain sound that comes out. With each amount, it has different voice. Yes, the 1000 donation will be the most cringe thing ever. That's why I put that to the highest. It's really cringe, okay? I'm gonna die. Oh, びっくりした。びっくりしたんだよ。